Hey there, it's Bryson from Bold. I'm going to show you how to get started with Bold memberships. In this video, I'll go over the install methods, how to connect a Stripe account, how to create a membership plan, and how to add a membership plan via a widget or button to a Shopify page. After Bold Memberships has been installed on your store, a theme install must be completed in order for certain features of memberships to work correctly. From within the Memberships admin, click More, then Liquid Instructions to see all of the available installation options. On this page, either request a new install or complete the installation by following along with an article on our Help Center. If you have any issues during the manual install, we recommend requesting an install, and our team of experts will be happy to perform the install for you. The next step is to connect a Stripe account within Memberships. In order to sell your membership plans to customers, you need to connect your Stripe account within Bold Memberships. You can connect your Stripe account in Memberships under Settings, General Settings by clicking Connect. On the next page, log into an existing Stripe account or create a new account. After connecting your Stripe account, you need to create a membership plan. This is the plan that customers purchase in order to access the perks that you are offering through your membership. Click Plans at the top of the page, then click Create New Plan. Under Step 1, Plan Details, enter a plan name that you would like to display for all of your customers. Next, enter a tag you would like to use for the membership plan. This tag is assigned to the customer's account in Shopify once they have signed up to the membership plan. Next, enter a plan description. This description is displayed below your membership plan name and is often used to explain what you are offering in your membership plan. As an optional step, click Edit Access Denied Message to change the text that appears for non-members if they try to view members-only content. Enabling the checkbox next to Enable Trial allows you to offer a free trial for the membership plan. Customers will still be prompted to enter their credit card but will not be charged until the free trial is over. Enabling the checkbox next to Enable Email Verification adds an additional email input box on the membership sign-up page, which ensures customers are entering in the correct email address. Under Step 2, Billing Options, enter a price and select the billing cycle you would like to use for your membership plan. Unchecking the box next to Forever allows you to enter the amount of payment you would like to collect for each customer. After the amount of specified payments has been made by a customer, the customer will no longer pay for the membership anymore and continue to receive the membership for free. Clicking Add Billing Option allows you to enter additional billing options for your customers. Under Step 3, Registration Fields, clicking Add Registration Field allows you to collect additional information from your customers. This field is often used to collect a piece of identity from customers, such as a name of a pet or person, date of birth, gender, or preference that relates to your membership plan. Please note that you do not have to add first name, last name, or email address as registration fields, as memberships will already have these fields present in the membership sign-up form. Under Step 4, Create Rules, you can apply rules to show or hide certain information to your customers based on the account they are logged into. To show information only for logged in customers that have an active membership to this plan, use a Show rule. To hide information only for customers that have an active membership to this plan, use a Hide rule. Use the next drop-down to choose a category you would like to show or hide, then use the selector to choose the items you would like to show or hide. Click Add Rule to apply additional rules to the membership plan. Visit our Help Center for more information on using rules in plans. Click Save at the bottom of the page to save your plan, then click OK in the pop-up. Next, you need to add the membership plan to a page on your store. Click the gear icon next to a plan, then click either Get Widget or Get By button. Get Widget will display the membership plan directly on your page, while Get By button adds a button on the page that customers must click first to display the membership plan via a pop-up widget. After choosing your widget option, copy all of the code that appears on the next page. Next, go to the Pages section in your Shopify admin. Click the page you would like to use your membership plan with. On the edit page, click the Show HTML button and paste the code you would like the membership widget to appear, then click Save. View your page and confirm that the membership widget is appearing as expected. And that's all there is to it. For more information on Bold memberships, please visit our help center at support.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.